Discover the top 5 best Ninja appliances of 2025, the ultimate lineup built for power, versatility, and innovation. From next-gen blenders and food processors to smart coffee makers and multi-cookers, Ninja continues to redefine home convenience. Whether you're crushing smoothies, brewing barista-quality coffee, or meal prepping like a pro, these Ninja favorites deliver unmatched performance, sleek design, and everyday reliability. Perfect for every kitchen in 2025. Number 1. Ninja BL660 Nutri Ninja Personal and Countertop Blender 1200W Auto IQ Base 72 ounces. Pitcher 18/24/32 Oz. To-go cups and spout lids, smoothies, shakes, and more. Dishwasher safe, black, powerful 1200 watt motor crushes ice, fruits and veggies into silky smoothies and creamy blends in seconds. Auto IQ technology, intelligent blending programs deliver perfect results with one-touch convenience. Family size 72 ounces. Pitcher ideal for large batches of smoothies, frozen drinks, or meal prep. Personal cups includes 18, 24, and 32 ounces. To-go cups with spout lids, perfect for on-the-go nutrition. Precision blades, total crushing blades, pulverize ingredients for smooth, consistent textures. Dishwasher safe and BPA-free, easy to clean and safe for everyday use. Multifunction design, blend, crush, puree, or mix directly in the pitcher or personal cups. The Ninja BL660 Nutri Ninja Personal and Countertop Blender combines professional power and smart blending technology in one sleek machine. With a 1200 watt Auto IQ base, it automatically adjusts blending patterns for perfect results every time. The 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher handles large batches for family-sized servings, while the 18, 24, and 32 ounces Nutri Ninja cups let you take your favorite smoothies and shakes on the go. Whether you're blending frozen fruits, leafy greens, or ice, the Ninja BL660 delivers smooth, nutrient-packed results with ease. Plus, all parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. Number 2. Ninja Professional Countertop Blender with Auto IQ 1400 peak watt 72 ounces. Pitcher, total crushing blades, BPA-free, dishwasher safe. Model CO750B. 1400 peak watts of professional power, effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients in seconds. Auto IQ technology, pre-programmed intelligent blending patterns for perfect smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks every time. XL 72 ounces. Pitcher ideal for large batches of smoothies, frozen treats, and meal prep for the whole family. Total crushing blades delivers unbeatable power to break down ice and whole fruits for smooth, creamy results, easy to clean and BPA-free. All detachable parts are dishwasher safe for quick, hassle-free cleanup. Sleek, modern design, durable construction with a stylish black and silver finish that complements any kitchen. The Ninja Professional Countertop Blender CO750B brings power, precision, and performance to your kitchen. With 1400 peak watts and Auto IQ technology, this blender takes the guesswork out of blending, automatically delivering consistent, perfectly smooth results. It's XL 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher makes it easy to create large batches of smoothies, frozen cocktails, or purees for the whole family. Designed for convenience, it's BPA-free and dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless cleanup after every use. Whether you're making nutrient-packed smoothies or crushing ice for frozen treats, the Ninja CO750B is your ultimate blending powerhouse. Number 3. Ninja Foodi SS201 Power Blender and Processor 3-in-1 Crushing Blender, Dough Mixer and Food Processor 1400 WP Smart Torque Motor 6 Auto IQ Presets Silver Point 3-in-1 Versatility functions as a powerful blender, dough mixer, and food processor all-in-one compact appliance. 1400 watt Smart Torque Motor designed to power through heavy loads without stalling or stirring. Total crushing and chopping power, effortlessly blends frozen fruits, crushes ice, and chops fresh ingredients. Mixed dough and batter, handles thick doughs, bread mixes, and cookie batters with ease. 6 Auto IQ Presets one-touch programs for smoothies, bowls, spreads, chopping, dough, and drinks. Easy to clean and BPA-free, dishwasher safe. Parts make cleanup quick and convenient. Durable and sleek design, built to perform and look great on any kitchen counter. The Ninja Foodi SS201 Power Blender and Processor is your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. Equipped with a 1400 WP Smart Torque motor, it delivers continuous, powerful performance that won't stall under heavy loads. This 3-in-1 appliance lets you blend, mix, and process with professional precision. With 6 Auto IQ preset programs, you can create smoothies, chop vegetables, mix dough, and prepare frozen drinks with a single touch. Built with total crushing and precision blades, it ensures smooth textures and consistent results every time. Perfect for busy kitchens, The Ninja Foodi SS201 is dishwasher safe, BPA-free, and engineered for power, convenience, and versatility. Number 4. Ninja BN805 A Pro Plus Kitchen System 1400 W5 in 1 blender and food processor auto IQ, 72 ounces. Pitcher, 64 ounces. Processor bowl, 32 ounces. To-go cup smoothies, chop, dough black 0.5 in 1 kitchen system, blend, chop, mix dough, make smoothies, and process food with 1 powerful appliance. 1400 watt peak power crushes ice, blends frozen fruits, and mixes dense ingredients effortlessly. Auto IQ technology intelligent preset programs for smoothies, dough, and more, just press and blend. XL 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher perfect for large batches of smoothies and frozen drinks. 0.64 ounce. Processor bowl designed for chopping, mixing, and kneading dough. 32 ounces. To-go cups blend and take your favorite drinks on the go with convenient spout lids. Dishwasher safe and BPA-free, easy cleanup and safe everyday use. Professional performance, sleek black design built for durability and high performance. The Ninja BN805 A Pro Plus kitchen system is the ultimate 5-in-1 powerhouse for any kitchen. With a 1400 watt motor and auto IQ technology, it takes care of blending, chopping, and mixing tasks with precision and ease. The 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher handles large servings for families, while the 64 ounces processor bowl kneads dough or chops ingredients in seconds. For quick, single-serve smoothies, use the 32 ounces cups with spout lids for on-the-go convenience. Designed to handle everything from smoothies to dough prep, this all-in-one Ninja system is dishwasher safe, BPA-free, and engineered to deliver professional results every time. Number 5. Ninja Pod and Ground Specialty Single-Serve Coffee Maker Blast Portable Blender Bundle Cordless 18 ounces. Vessel, leak-proof lid and sip spout, brew and blend anywhere shakes, smoothies and coffee on the go. 2-in-1 bundle deal includes the Ninja Pod and Ground Single-Serve Coffee Maker and the Blast Portable Blender, perfect for home or travel, brew and blend convenience. Enjoy freshly brewed coffee or blend smoothies and shakes wherever you are. Cordless portable blender 18 ounces vessel with a leak-proof lid and sip spout, ideal for gym, office, or outdoor adventures. Versatile coffee maker compatible with both pods and grounds for rich, flavorful coffee your way. A powerful blending performance easily crushes ice, fruits, and protein shakes in seconds. Rechargeable and travel-ready cordless design makes blending easy anywhere, anytime. Eco-friendly and cost-saving, professionally inspected and tested for reliable, like new performance, easy to clean. All removable parts are dishwasher safe and BPA-free. Enjoy the ultimate convenience with the Ninja Pod and Ground Specialty Single-Serve Coffee Maker bundled with the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. Start your day with a rich cup of coffee brewed your way using either pods or grounds, and take your nutrition on the go with the cordless 18 ounces Blast Blender. Designed for busy lifestyles, the blender's leak-proof lid and sip spout make it perfect for travel, gym sessions, or office use. With powerful blending, rechargeable portability, and easy cleaning, this renewed Ninja bundle combines performance and versatility in one smart package, perfect for coffee lovers and smoothie enthusiasts alike.